Hi, this is Hasmik. Today I want to make you the easiest and creamiest mashed potatoes ever you have eaten in your life. So for this recipe, we need 10 potatoes. I use gold potatoes, but you can use any potatoes. So I have 10 of them. Some of them are big, some of them are small. Half of cabbage. You can use organic or regular cabbage, it's okay. 1 head of garlic, which is this one. I separated them, and half a cup, half a teaspoon salt and half a teaspoon black pepper, and 3 cups of heavy cream. So what we do, we will put our potatoes to cook. So I'll add this to the pot, and like I said, I separated the garlic, but I didn't peel them. I'm gonna add the garlic to the pot, and my half of my cabbage, I'm gonna chop them in few pieces, and I'm going to add those to the pot also. Okay, so we are gonna fill the pot with water and cook them for almost 40-45 minutes. You'll know when it's cooked if you touch the potato and you think you see it's soft, so it's cooked. So let's put this on the stove and cook it for 40 and 45 minutes. Okay, it's been 45 minutes. Let's see if our potato and cabbage is cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna just pull it. Be careful, very hot. Yeah, our potato is cooked, and garlic and cabbage is cooked too. So I'm going to drain it, peel it, and then do the rest. Okay. You can show them. Okay, I drained the potatoes. I don't peel the skin because the skin is so thin. If you like, you can peel the skin. All I did was very carefully, I peeled the skin of the garlic. You can also, if you want to, it would be easier for you, just peel the garlic before adding to the pot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my masher and try to mash it. But before that, I'm going to add half a teaspoonful of salt and half a teaspoonful of black pepper. I don't want to add too much salt because most of the time we eat the mashed potato with gravy because our gravies might have salt. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start mashing it. Everything together, the potatoes, the cabbage, the garlic, and it's going to be delicious. Okay, I mashed the potatoes and cabbage and garlic. I also, if you don't like to add garlic or cabbage, that's fine too. You can use the same recipe without cabbage. So to this, I'm going to add 2.5 cups of heavy cream. I'll add it one at a time because I want to add and mix my mixture to see if it's good. So what I do, well, this cream not only is gonna make it our mixture delicious, it's gonna make it very creamy too. And as you notice, I'm not using any milk or butter. So this cream is gonna be our milk and butter. It's gonna give it a nice color to our mashed potato, and also it's gonna make it a smooth and creamy like silk. So it looks like I need another cup. So 2 cups of heavy cream, and that's all you need. And you'll give it a nice stir. If you see it little watery, don't worry, because after a few minutes it's gonna absorb all the cream and it's not gonna be this watery. However, the texture is so creamy, so delicious that you cannot resist. The other thing is, if you like to peel your potatoes, you can peel your potatoes, and you can also use red potato also. Looks very nice too when you leave the skin on, or even if you peel it. So basically this is it. Okay, for with mashed potato, normally I make gravy. So what I did, I've already made some gravies. So for gravy, I used a can of chicken broth. You can use your own broth, or you can even use water, and 6 tablespoons of brown mix. So what you do, you just boil the broth and then add the mixture and mix it until like 5-6 minutes. It will become thick, gets thick, and it becomes nice gravy. So what I do, I serve the mashed potato with gravy. If you have meat and it has its own gravy, you can use that gravy too. Okay, let's taste it. Oh, it looks so creamy and delicious. Like I said, you have a choice. It's optional. If you want to do it all potato, that would be fine. If you don't want to add garlic, that would be fine too. So now I'm going to make a place for my delicious gravy. Okay, let's taste it. Oh, it looks so creamy, so delicious. You can tell. It is so delicious, you have no idea. Like I said, you can use store-bought gravy or make your own gravy. Or if you make your roast meat, you can use the gravy, the juice of the meat, add it to your gravy. But it doesn't matter, or you can just eat it without gravy. It's so delicious and creamy, you have no idea. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, don't forget. Thank you. Please subscribe. Bye.